What's going on, guys? Josh Baker, Baker Boy Turkey Calls. We got it done here in Lockett, Texas. Got the blue ice calling for me. Then I got my call I made called Spring Green. It's pretty neat call. It works. I used a mouth call too. No box call this morning. It wasn't very windy until now. He's just a little bird, but it's a turkey, right? I mean, he's a tom, but he only has maybe a, I don't know, maybe a 6-inch beard on him. He don't have any spurs on him. He has one spur, and it's like that big. They come in early this morning. Couldn't get no video of them. My camera died, so I'm using off my phone camera right now. They come off the roost. There's like 6 or 7 gobblers, and they come all the way over to the shelter belt and start strutting and drumming and gobbling, and they wouldn't come in. And they left, and I called them back in, and they still wouldn't come in, so they left. And then there was 3 of them, 3 toms that came across the field, and they went all the way to the west. And I called, and they come back, and this is the one where I got them. So Baker Boys got it done. First turkey with a bow in 4 years. I'm excited. I'm really excited. Even though it is just a little bitty one, but hey, that's how we get it done here at Baker Boys.